Hi guys, let me put this down. So I'm out in the woods this morning, just come for a little walk. It's a bit fresh, a bit snowy, but, got a nice cup of tea with me, and in my bag that I brought there was a little clematis baseboard that I've just cut a notch in and bedded in, because what I thought is, I've never done this before, I've never done this in snow, so it's snowing, it's a bit cold, and I thought I'd have a go at hand drill in the snow and see whether I can get an ember and blow it to flame. So that's what I'm planning on doing. The stuff that I've gathered, I've got some, if I lift up the nest, I've made the nest, I've got it all prepared here. So this is cleavers, I've picked this up whilst I've been out. Also in the middle is my tinder, my fluffy stuff there. I've got some greater reed mace seed heads, which are from the duck pond just up here. Good time to pick them, guys, if you want to get out and harvest them, especially when it's cold like this. It's pretty dry. Later on, you know, in autumn after they're sort of like seeded, they can be very damp, they'll absorb a lot of moisture, but in this cold they're pretty dry inside, so it's a really good time to harvest them. And I've got a bag full of them in there, so I'm going to have a go with this. So I'm going to tilt the camera down, I'm going to have a go. I'm using come on, what's the name? Elder. Yeah, so I've got an elder stem here into this clematis hearth board. So we'll see how we get on. I'll tilt the camera down so you guys can see what's going on, and we'll have a go and see what we can do. So a bit of lubrication, a bit of tacky on the hands first, and then let's see what happens. So I'll just tilt this down until you guys can see the, I think you've got a good shot of it there. So and I'm doing this straight into the tinder bundle rather than getting an ember and then transferring it into the tinder bundle. So I thought this method might work well on a cold, frosty morning. Danny, apologies to you, mate. I know I said I was wearing your mum's hat, but I had a shave this morning, and as you're aware, I've now got a nice smooth head, so your mum's hat just keeps slipping off my head. So anyway, I've got a nice warm hat on. So just warming this up at the minute, just starting to get a little bit of powder forming at the base. No smokers yet, but oh, there we go, a little tiny wisp of smoke. So I'm going to start to increase the speed and the downward pressure. That's not bad smoke. Oh, slipped. A couple more passes and I think we're there. Certainly warms you up. So if anybody is cold, get out and practice your hand drill. I don't think we've got that there. No, we haven't, so we'll go again. If we can do this before I, one, get too knackered, and two, drill through the baseboard. Let's just take it easy, because it's cold, and just build up plenty of heat first. Might need to take a jumper off in a minute. Do with a bit of tacky on the hands. Whew. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. I'm knackered. So I didn't pick the camera up straight away because I wanted, you see that preserver ember? It's pretty blowy. Let's put the coal on top. There we go, there we go. Happy with that, so let's, oh, I'm unfit. So close this up round here now. So you've got to work hard for your embers in the cold and snow. Whew. A bit warm. You know, that sweat on a cold day, that's not good, is it? Breaking all principles of cold weather. Doing this the wrong way, the wind's blowing towards me. In fact, easily solved, isn't it? We do a bit of work. Smoke's changed, there we go. There we go. Marvellous. Happy with that. That was hard work. Wow, that's hot. But yeah, achieved. That's not too bad. Pleased with that. And as I said, it is quite snowy and blizzardy. Not as bad as some people have got it, but so thank you very much. See you again.